Good morning, everyone. Jason Lohr with VisionWoodcraft. Hopefully everyone's having a good Monday. Today I'm working on this kitchen island I showed a video of earlier. I got my Massca pocket hole jig mounted to the table. It's got nice screw mounts so you can mount it to any surface in your shop. All set up to do the aprons on this table. And yeah, so let's show you how it works. Alright, so you see nice clean holes going into the apron. That'll be a strong joint. You know, I'd love to have a mortise and tenon set up in the shop, but at this point, this is what I have, and it does work well. It produces a good strong joint. You got a good glue surface, it's 1 3/4. The setup I have is for 1.5 inches, but it doesn't mean your screw still won't penetrate what you're securing into. In my case, it's a couple table legs here. So hopefully everyone has a good day, and I'll be in touch.